My favorite footballer is Ronaldo. Lasi kumalo nang tumnang ning kidok footballer ke comments pitha. Everyone loves football. Ki pathule thek thek busname football khila kilang aning hangbang do pick. Goal jong si pidam len putang te audience kilang atum aning karong hangdum jotiti an. Even skill kecepat lang ball ki pakan lang mere putang te rear ki thek long lapen TV mobile long chosme uf ko lang me pilo ke pisi than ji. Football pena jok pinang anarat pha aning parong ilapen football hello pinang anatumhan achithe lapen ke career. Ronaldo sidame isi lam the kaning je do. Without football my life is worth nothing. Messi, what I do is play soccer, which is what I like. Neymar, my foot for a football player is very beautiful. Football is for everyone, even handicapped people akeng te kok tumstame ke pathu aning arong chipi pick. See in this video inut amunet akeng ko but ball pagol let pen ke aning arong chipi pick. Football even handicapped people dumhan same football tournament ki bi pa dopon pon. Football is not just a game, it's an emotion. Goal le pajang nam lalo tangte aning karong ciruwang titian an. Even rem to the bangta aning ki oi ciruwang titit an. Even not only the players, supporter lapen afen tumta aning kidok atim jong si qualified for that tangte ciruwang aning oi set an. Lapen ke laso emotion apor nang ke le thulu lake FIFA World Cup 2022. Pinang ana tumphan excited pick alo raso FIFA World Cup kelang ji aphan dapen ke amethang aning kitok a players apen a team phan kit support din ji phan like Brazil, Argentina, Portugal, Uruguay, Ghana top pick lang lapen ke munil atu laso FIFA han ke excited amethang Facebook personal icon apen WhatsApp long same I support Portugal, I support Germany, I support Argentina pu ke update bang same do pick. Let's talk about some history of FIFA. Football nang kipangching lake England country long in the middle of 19th century non ke 21st century nang le alo. It means around 1863 along si labang su football nang kipangching mo. La det pen ke nang pathu bong bang bom si 1930 aning kan ke first FIFA World Cup Federation International Day Football Association nang bi pangching mo. Bang su 1930 aning kan ki bi cheng hot ke Uruguay tumsi haipon lo. Lapen 1934 bangke Italy tumsi haipon lo ako 1938 hota Italy tumsi haipon thulo bonta 1942 lapen 1946 bangke FIFA B bede athela suhud bangke World War II doko. World War II began in September 1 1939 to 1945. More than 50 nations labangso World War II hud war ke do. Even Hiroshima and Nagasaki alams temel bangso World War II ahosi nang klang lo laso pen jok two times 1942 lapen 1946 bangke FIFA World Cup bi bidalo. After the end of World War jut lapen in some real prophecy 1950 anikan hosi puthot World Cup ki bi pangcheng kilo. FIFA World Cup ki hai ki ong na lake Brazil tum hello winning 5 times. 2018 hut FIFA B develop pen non puthot 2022 FIFA World Cup nang litlo which is held in Qatar. Lasi kumalo ng favorite team I support Portugal which is a team of Cristiano Ronaldo.